Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Starlight and LaserCut effects in CapCut PC. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. First you need to click on the text icon and go to the default text and click the plus icon. Type the desired text. So adjust the size. Change the color if you want. And after that, go to the animation section. And in the in tab, you need to find Starlight. Click on that. And here you can see that from this point to this point, the Starlight effect has been applied. And once you increase the duration, and you will see that there is a small dot here. And this means that the Starlight effect is applied from this point to this point. And you can also increase the duration of text. And now go to the animation and go to the out tab. And here you will see that laser. Click on that. And here you can see that the laser cut effects is applied from this point to this point. And here you can also see a small dot. So you can make these dots together by minimizing this duration. And here you can see that. Click on that and check how it works. So click on that and check how it works. And here you can see that the both effects applied all together. So I hope you understand how to add Starlight and LaserCut effects in CapCut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.